let's play with energy.
Energy? How can we play with energy, Bob?
Come on, Joe, I'll show you. Now, lights off.
Oh God! Careful, Bob! It's burning!
Don't worry, Joe.
Bob, how the paper burned?
Here, the electrical energy is converted to light energy and it is converted to heat energy, so the paper burnt easily. This is called transformation of energy.
Wow! You're really genius, Bob.
Oh, thanks, Joe.
Oh, don't get excited, Bob.
I'm not. Now you will get excited. See here, I have a beautiful hydroelectric powerhouse setup.
Wow! Really, it's beautiful, Bob.
With this setup, I will show you how energy transforms. Look at this model of reservoir. Water stored in this reservoir has potential energy. When this water is allowed to fall, this potential energy changes into kinetic energy. This kinetic energy helps to move or drive the turbines and helps to generate electric energy. Here, at this hydroelectric powerhouse, the potential energy is transformed to kinetic energy and then to electrical energy.
Bob, I don't have words to express. It's amazing.